Okay, everyone, our focus for day 6 are going to be patterns and sorting. For patterns, you can really use anything that you have at home. You can use money, you can use candy such as Skittles and M&Ms, you can also use buttons, you can use silverware if you have an adult present helping you out, and you can also use socks. For our pattern, we're going to use fruit. So as you can see, we've got a grape, a pear, and an apple. So I'm going to ask you, what do you think would come next in our pattern if we start with a grape, a pear, and then an apple? If you said grape, you are correct. Grape would go next because grape is what started the pattern. So grape, pear, apple, grape. What would come after the grape? If you said pear, you are correct. So we've got grape, pear, apple, grape, pear, apple. Good job. And like I said before, you can do this with money, you can do this with candy, buttons, silverware, socks, whatever works for you, but that's just some ways that you can work on patterns. Before we fully move on to the sorting skills, I want to emphasize that for sorting, you can also use money, candy, buttons, silverware with an adult, or socks as well with this. Now we are moving on to our sorting skills. So as you can see, I've got bananas, grapes, apples, and oranges in a category. And I would have your child sort out each fruit where they belong. They can also do this by themselves, so if they didn't want to use the labels, they could go, okay, this is a grape, I'm going to put this over here for grapes. This is an apple, I'm going to put this over here for apples. It's whatever works for your child and whatever works for you. So we are just going to sort them according to the labels. So we're going to look and we're going to pick up a piece of fruit and go, this is an apple. And we're going to find apple. A, apple, ah. There we go. So we've sorted our first fruit. Let's pick up another one. This is in orange. Good job. So oranges are going to go over here on the end. So far we have sorted our apple and our orange. Let's pick up another piece of fruit. We've got grapes, right? So grapes are going to go under the grape category. Let me scoot these over a little bit. Let's pick up one more. What is this? If you said banana, that is correct. We are going to sort that with bananas. So here we go, sorting our banana with the bananas. So you continue to do that. So your child is going to continue to sort. I'm going to pick up another one. You tell me where it belongs. Does this belong with the banana or the grapes? Grapes is correct. Does this belong with the apples or the oranges? Apples is correct. Notice I gave 2 choices that time. You can also give 4 choices. So here's another example. If I grab this one, we've got a banana. Does this go in the banana category, the grape category, the apple category, or the orange? If you said banana, then you are correct. Okay, now I'm grabbing this one. What category does this go in? Bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Oranges is correct. This is a banana. Would that go with the bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? If you said banana, that is correct. Does this go with bananas, apples, grapes, or oranges? Grapes is correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? If you said grapes, that is correct. Good job. Would this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? If you said apples, that is correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? If you said oranges, that is correct. Put that with oranges. All right, let's sort out these last few. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Grapes is correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Apples is correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Bananas are correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Grapes is correct. Does this go with bananas, grapes, apples, or oranges? Grapes are correct. Good job, everybody. Everybody is an expert at sorting.